President Uhuru Kenyatta arithigira-ini wa iregi yarekirire wira ngirimiti ino gatagati ka Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahikagwe, kambuni ya MODERNA hamwe na thirikari ya Amerika. Akiria madawa 500,000 nacio iratanywo guthondekwo o mwaka, ona kambuni ya MODERNA yambiriria mihango ya guthondeka njanjo cia COVID guku bururi-ini.
This is part of guaranteeing the continent's health security. We've learned lessons, not so much good lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic, that unless and until the continent is equipped with the ability to manufacture vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics, we will continue to be very vulnerable. And the African Union called for all of us to work together in partnership to make sure that by the year 2040, the continent produces at least 60% of its vaccines.
President niatugiritie wiguano uyu akiuga riri nirio itacuki nene makiria aria kuhurana na kinguki gia COVID-19 kuma riria murimu uyu waigirire bururi-ini.
You all know the challenges that Kenya and indeed the entire continent of Africa went through in the earlier stages of this pandemic, a situation that resulted in Africa being left behind, not because of want, but because of lack. And MODERNA has come in to fill that space.
We believe strongly at the African Union that manufacturing of vaccines, diagnostics and therapeutics is indispensable for us to guarantee Africa's health sovereignty.
Ohono ugete wiguano uyu ni ukuhotithia gukinyaniria kwa ituge inya cia thirikari na muno makiria motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi, akionania mwihoko wa guthondekwo kwa meki ya mawira kumana na ngirimiti ino.
I want to assure you that Kenya will do everything that we can to ensure that we smooth the way and we get this project up and running the shortest possible time so that its impact can be felt not only in Kenya but across the continent.
Gukinyiria riu kambuni ya MODERNA ino hoti wa guthondekera njanjo ino mabũrũri-inĩ 12 ũrĩtangathĩte mĩbango ya kwambĩka mũbango ũyũ mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ 10 mwaka-inĩ ũyũ.